Hey guys, this is Core here. I'm gonna show you guys how I fix the seatbelt issue. Or not fixed, but I think that it was just pure user error within the install of the mechanic script and the seatbelt logic that comes with it. If you're not using it, or if you're not using QB Smart Resources seatbelt logic. Um, so this is obviously when I fixed. Delete that, so I'm not cheating or anything. Let's just go to the Keymaster. I've already installed it, but I'm just gonna install it again so you guys know I'm not lying or anything. No editing in this video. I'm a fucking idiot. Um, Go over here, just copy and paste the script into your resources. I have gems or all the scripts in here. Go over here. I'm gonna obviously replace my shared and my config file with my previous one because that is where all my locations and all my configs for the recipes are at. So I don't want to lose that, obviously. Shared and config. Okay. So once we replace those, we're going to go to the vehicle add-on SQL. If it's your first time installing it, you're going to want to do this. You want to go over here, drag and drop it, or you can just open it up and copy paste into here. No matter how you do it, it's still going to work. Execute it. I've already executed it, so I don't need to do it. I've already done it, but it's not going to work for me, obviously. It's going to give me a warning. So we're gonna go to the install.md. Right here, you see all of the install of the items right here. All of this you're gonna need, or else the script will not work. Uh, or the items will not work. I should say. I'll say that. You're gonna want to put these in your QB shared.lua. This is right here, your QB Core folder, and then shared items.lua. I've already inserted these over here. No, I haven't. Hold on. Let me see where they're at. Just look for car armor. Yeah, right here. So all these are for gym stuff right here. It's a fucking long list here. Oh wait, hold on. Is this actually? I don't think so. Let me see. Ah, I don't have it installed. Okay, it's gonna be perfect. Here. All right, so we're gonna go over here. Sorry, I use Oximeter. I don't think I need to install it, but I'll just do it right here. Over here. Gym mechanic v.3.2.2. These items right here. Dependencies, gym payments. You're gonna want to need that. You're gonna want that if you're planning on using the payment system incorporated into a script or incorporated into the script that he has. The gym job garage is gonna be for the shops or whatever to create the temporary vehicles for job roles right here. Just for the mechanic job. The NOS and odometer, obviously all these are here. I'm not going to go into detail. You guys can read the docs or learn about it yourself or something. The QB vehicle failure is fucking stupid. I don't know why anyone else uses it. I use it and I'm fucking stupid, so I should tell you. Right here, this is the export you're gonna want to replace with the default one. So by default, yours should be. Let me see. Gym dash mechanic. It shouldn't look like this. It should look something like. Let me see. Let's go over here and find it. Here it is. Okay. Let's look for it. So damage random component. By default, this export just overwrites everything, or not overwrites it, but it replaces everything in this section. So 43. No, I'm stupid. Sorry. 44 through 50, you're gonna want to replace with Jim's export, and that should just fix it automatically, and you should be good. Uh, I'll just show you for example. I'll just copy this right here and replace it. So this right here, you're gonna want to hover over all that. Just grab this export right here, and not even the same script. What the fuck? I'm gonna go through it. Fucking clutter in here. Holy hell! Go over here and just paste it in, and you should be good like that. Like I said, it will make Gym Mechanic take control of the saving and handling of damage values. Now, right here, the QB Small Resources, Server, Main, and Client. Uh, you're going to want to delete the seatbelt.lua, which will be located inside your Small Resources folder. I believe I was just on it, actually. Yeah, client, and then you're going to delete folder named or file named seatbelt.lua. This is the seatbelt logic that QB Core comes with automatically. That handles everything from the ejection to the speed or whatever you get ejected from the vehicle if you're crashing into something or you're putting on a harness or whatever, you know. Just replace or just delete that and make sure you enable it in the config, which I'll show you later in the video. To turn on so that Gym Mechanics actually takes control of it because it's honestly way better than QB Core's default. This is all good. So you're gonna want to delete these from the from the small resources consumables right here. I'm gonna go over here. QB small resources server consumables. I'm stupid. Yeah, server main Lua. I've already deleted them. I don't have them, but they would be somewhere like right here or something. Just say that right here. You just want to delete them just like this. That's just going to disable the consumable for the actual harness itself, you know. To make your HUD not complain about the harness I export, you'll need to change the name of your export to Gym Mechanic, okay? That's very simple. Just do that, boom. And then right here, like that. And then replace it with, oh, I can't exactly do it. I don't know what's happening. Use that example. It's not going to replace it, but here. It's just basically renaming it to Gym Mechanic. That's all it's doing, really. That's just for PS HUD, but QB HUD's a little bit different, considering that it automatically doesn't need to use the export as it gets filled in automatically, and it's not using a secondary resource or anything. You want to go over here, just copy and paste all this, whatever, find it, and then, for example, replace it with this. That's just for example. That's what mine. That's what yours look like exactly. Whatever. But let's go for the config right here. For the seat belts. It's a long video. Sorry. You can make this job only. It only allows job roles to add a harness to the vehicle. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. If you don't have X job, which would be mechanic 1 or mechanic 2, you can't enable the harness or put harnesses on vehicles if you have this enabled or on true. Although if you're on false, anyone that has a harness can actually use them, or yeah, whatever. The harness control, this is actually what you're gonna want to enable. So always keep that on true. Never turn that off because if you don't have that, then seatbelt logic won't work. If you delete the seatbelt.lua. Seatbelt easy leave. This is so that whenever if you have a seatbelt on, it makes it, if you have it enabled, it'll make it where you can actually exit your vehicle without disabling your seatbelt. And the seatbelt, obviously that's not what works in real life. Many keep this off to keep on immersion and all that. Same with the harness, just same thing, but just with the race harness and all that. The progress bar or the aux lib circle, whatever. This is just like whenever you're taking the harness off, or you're taking the harness off, it'll actually display a progress bar showing where you're at on it. I just have it on, just I don't know, have it on, I guess. Seatbelt notify. This is for the top right here. Oh my gosh. Top right. See seatbelt on and seatbelt off. Yeah, it's pretty simple. If all is done correctly and you ensure gym mechanic and or just restart your server, then you should have the working seatbelt logic. All right, guys. Have a good day, I guess.